Hey everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we are making the ultimate breakfast hack in the air fryer, buttered Pillsbury cinnamon rolls. They are fluffy, golden, and so incredibly easy to be popped. You'll need 1 can of Pillsbury cinnamon rolls, about 12.4 ounces, plus that icing packet inside. Grab 2 to 3 tablespoons of melted butter, unsalted or salted both work perfectly. And for a fresh side to plate with, have a handful of fresh green grapes or strawberries ready to go. They add such a nice crispness to balance out the sweetness of the rolls. While these bake, did you know cinnamon rolls were a massive hit in Sweden before becoming a global staple? They even have a dedicated cinnamon roll day every October. Baking from scratch can sometimes feel like a major project with all the measuring and weighting, especially when you have a busy morning ahead. But the air fryer is the perfect workaround. Since I love exploring, I find that adding the butter basting to these rolls gives them that same rich, bakery-style finish we all crave. It's that combination of sweet dough and savory butter that really elevates a simple store-bought can into something special. Plus, using the air fryer means we get that perfect texture in a fraction of the time. It uses intense hot air to give you a perfect crust without the long preheat or the oven dryness that can sometimes happen with small batches. It's truly a game changer for anyone who wants a gourmet breakfast without the gourmet effort. First, pop open the can and separate the 8 rolls. Set the icing packet aside for now. Brush every single roll generously with that melted butter on the tops and sides. This is the secret to that crispy, rich exterior. Now, place them in your air fryer basket in a single layer. We aren't preheating today. Set your air fryer to 360 degrees. Cook them for 8 minutes total. We're going to take our time here to make sure they get that perfect rise and don't end up doughy in the middle. Halfway through, at the 4-minute mark, use tongs to flip them over. This ensures they get golden and puffed on every side. Check them around 6 or 7 minutes. If they look golden and firm, they're ready. While they finish, pop that icing packet in the microwave for just 10 seconds. This is a pro tip. Warming the icing makes it perfectly smooth and pourable, so it can seep into all those warm cinnamon swirls instead of just sitting on top. This little extra step makes them look and taste like they came straight from a professional bakery. These are so indulgent and fresh, perfect for a cozy morning. They really show how a simple hacks can turn basic ingredients into something extraordinary. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes from Life with Mike and Angie.